Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to watch full content from start to finish on ReelShort. First of all, open the ReelShort app or website and choose the series you want to watch. Start with episode 1 and continue through the episode list in order. Some episodes may be free while others require coin or a subscription. If you reach a locked episode, you will need to unlock it using the available purchase options. Always use the official ReelShort platform to access content. And that's it. That's how to watch a ReelShort series from beginning to end. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.